10 hilariously wild facts about parrots. Think your parrot just repeats phrases? You're barely scratching the surface. These feathered comedians have a secret life weirder than your wildest dreams. From mimicking your worst habits to outsmarting toddlers, parrots aren't just pretty birds. Get ready, we're diving beak first into 10 hilariously wild facts that will make you rethink these vibrant, feathered rascals. First, some parrots live longer than most humans. Yep, macaws can hit 80, even 100 years. They might outlive your kids. Their intelligence is wild. They're basically winged toddlers with a PhD in mischief, solving puzzles meant for primates. And drama queens? Parrots actually blush when excited or embarrassed. Imagine a bird turning bright pink after a silly squawk. They don't just talk, many mimic entire conversations, doorbells, even your alarm clock. Ever seen a bird dance? Parrots do, often awkwardly but with enthusiasm, bobbing their heads to the beat. Here's a kicker, they taste with their feet. Imagine eating your snack with your toes. Some get so attached, they'll preen your hair or pick at your glasses, treating you like a giant, less feathery friend. Just like us, they throw serious temper tantrums if they don't get their favorite treat. A bored parrot will chew anything, wires, furniture, even the remote. Lastly, while super smart, some parrots have a surprising weakness. They can get addicted to junk food, especially sunflower seeds. Keep the chips away. Want more? Hit like and subscribe for more daily facts.